Our method introduces a novel alternative stress indicator that could be a platform for numerous future studies for measuring cortisol in new, non-blood, and hair matrices.
The advantages of this technique are its simplicity and its ability to be used to evaluate stress levels even in slaughtered animals.
Establishing a relationship between high cortisol levels and healthy animals or humans using this technique can help with the diagnosis of some diseases. This method can also be used to study centuries-old biological samples such as teeth or fossils to evaluate stress levels within the sample lifespan.
For cortisol extraction, weigh out 300 plus or minus 10 milligrams of each sample on a digital analytical scale with a 0.0001 accuracy before placing the samples into individual 15 milliliter conical tubes. Add 3 milliliters of isopropanol to each sample tube and rotate the tubes at 80 rotations per minute for 2.5 minutes to wash out the cortisol and to remove any potential external contamination. After the last wash, air dry the samples at room temperature for 7 days, before washing the samples 3 more times as demonstrated using fresh ultra-pure water for each wash. Weigh out 75 plus or minus 5 milligrams of dried fin or jawbone sample and use a bead beater to finely grind the sample at 50 Hz for 32 minutes. Then, deliver 1.5 milliliters of methanol to each tube of powdered fin or jawbone, and place the samples on a tube rotator at 40 rotations per minute for 18 hours.